Hey guys, let's do a flip over quick weave using Empire Beauty Supply Store hair. So first we're going to put our cap on, and then we're going to put the protective molding on. That's what you see here where it looks kind of hard. And then you're going to measure from side to side for the tracks. And then you're going to apply your bonding glue, and you're going to just place it on the protective covering on the quick weave cap, and you're just gonna move up the head doing so. So I finally got the glue at the bottom, and we're gonna just lay the track right there underneath her ear, and you're just gonna go from side to side as you move up the head, and you're just gonna continue this motion until you get to the top. So here's the Empire Beauty Supply Store hair that we had, and it was wet and wavy. So I just took a spray bottle and saturated it really well because she had a quick weave. I couldn't put her under the shampoo bowl, or all the tracks would have slipped out. So I just spray her down really well to try to get the curl pattern to come, and then I saturated it even more with some Nairobi mousse, which is very soft, and it leaves the hair and the curls really bouncy and not too firm. And this is how the curl actually looked. Like the Empire Beauty Supply Store, it was truly wet and wavy. It was a little thin, but I mean, it's to be expected. It's 3 bundles for $65, and this was the finished product, and she looked really cute. She went home, she made her video, and she sent it to me. So check out the Empire hair today.